Sure, it's a common notion, perpetual emotion, but I don't need the comfort of any life. I've seen the